The TM-L6M/8M/TM series by Astro-E is the new generation of grid-connected microinverters that offers key benefits including increased efficiency, flexibility, safety features and easy monitoring. With 3 variants offering maximum power outputs ranging from 600 to 1000 watts, these are designed to meet the diverse needs of modern solar installations. A high efficiency of up to 96% with 2 individual maximum power point trackers ensures that the solar panels operate at their optimal output, maximising energy production. Our product's core feature is flexibility, enabling customers to seamlessly match them with their existing PV systems. As power demand increases, users can effortlessly expand their PV system by adding extra solar panels at any time. A maximum DC input current makes them compatible for use with most of the solar panels available in the market. With a maximum DC voltage of 60 volts, they feature a low failure rate and built-in surge protection. Furthermore, the ultra-low DC voltage eliminates the risk of fire caused by high voltage arcs, providing greater safety. The plug-and-play design ensures easy installation, making it easier to get your PV system up and running. The integrated high-efficiency communication module analyses system data and uploads it to the cloud, allowing for effective remote monitoring through the user-friendly SolarMan online platform. Durability and protection are ensured with an IP67 rating and a robust die-casting design. The high-density die-cast aluminium profile provides excellent resistance to harsh environments and improved longevity. Our microinverters are designed for a 25-year life, with a 10-year product warranty which greatly saves the replacement costs during the life cycle of PV systems. They are designed to comply with international power grid safety standards and have passed micro-inverter safety regulations and market certifications such as IEC, VDE and others.